Omega-3 fish oils are great antioxidants. They're great for your brain. They're anti-inflammatory. They're immune boosting. And they're actually even energy enhancers. The beauty about supplements that no one really understands is that they do a myriad of things. We're used to drugs, and drugs do one thing. When you're taking something for your headache, you think of it only for the headache. When you're taking something for arthritis, you just think of it for arthritis. When you take something for hypertension, you take it just for hypertension. Diabetes, just diabetes. Now, this is what's so weird about it. When you think that way, and this is the way I used to think as a physician, as a conventional physician, you're really forgetting that everything you do and everything you take affects everything else. Mm. So, in the case of most drugs, they have negative side effects that are usually warnings that we're giving to patients when you give them a drug or an antibiotic or something. But when you're talking about supplements, something interesting happens. They do a lot of little things. So initially, I was skeptical about that. I was like, how could anything, being a conventional doctor, do so many things? But now I understand it and I see it with different eyes. The more things it does, the better it is. As I said about omega-3 fish oil, fatty acids, they do so many things. They don't do anything wrong. There are no side effects that I have to warn you about. What they do is they enhance your well-being. And you would have to eat a lot of fish in order to get what you get in these 2 capsules.